Good morning everyone. So today is day 3 in Belgium and we are on our way to explore a new place. It's known as Bruges or locally known as Brugge. We are in an intercity train and our train was 11:12 and now it's around 11:40. So it will take around 1 hour in the train. We are really excited for today's trip and the weather is also fantastic today. It's really hot. We have reached Bruges and from the station we came by bus number 1 or you can take bus number 2, easily available, and it takes hardly 10 minutes, 4 stops to reach in the center. So I'm in the marketplace, very beautiful, as you can see. All around it's full of history. There's an interesting statue behind me. And if you see on this side is Historium. If you want to know the history of Bruges, you can go in and have a look. People are sitting and having lunch over there and exploring the city from the top. And just beside that is Provincial Hof, which is also known as Provincial Court. And there's a place where government used to have some meetings in olden times. And in this side we have the bell tower, which is known as the Belfort, very high, and it shows that it has 366 stairs, and if someone can reach on top after climbing the 366 stairs, they can experience an amazing and a wonderful view of the whole city of Bruges. For me it's difficult, I cannot climb so much, so I'll have a view from here only. And on this side we have some restaurants and pubs, and we just had our lunch sitting here enjoying the sun, and we'll start exploring the city again. As you can see behind me, this is the city tour bus. Isn't it interesting, the structure of the bus? So people are there on they will be exploring the city, and the driver will be explaining them in all the languages, and we can see the flags behind the bus as well. It has English, all the Belgium, German, So whichever language you want, you can get explained in that. And on this side, if you're not interested in the bus, then you can also explore the city by horse ride. I think it's 70 euros per ride, and I think the horse ride will be more interesting than the city bus, and you can do it as your private tour as well. And the ambience is wonderful out here, very well maintained, cleanliness on top, and very beautifully and architecturally designed. And the weather is also an added advantage today, and it's really busy. So now we are in Bruges Square. There are two main important squares here. One is the Market Square where the clock towers and we are now in the Bruges Square. It's a beautifully designed building everywhere. This is the city. On that side. How did you find the Basilica of Royal Blood?
Yeah, this is a very good old style church. I think it is called Basilica due to various reasons. Might be it's a kind of promotion of a church. The main thing over here is the royal blood of Jesus Christ preserved. Now, how much it is true, we don't know, but there are so many articles over the internet which talks about a lot of stories how the blood came down here through who actually brought it. So, but yeah, it was good to find something so old, lot of centuries back. The blood of Jesus Christ is here. People, tourists are there gathering, watching it one by one. There is no entrance fee to have a view of it. But it's good. They just got 2 floors. The lower chamber is still exactly the old style architecture inside, but the upper chamber where the royal blood is there, that is bit renovated. That is visible, but it's still old style. But it's good to see. Good to see.
And it's really old, and it's from the 13th century. And you can see from outside we can understand how old it is. So yeah, it's a nice square, nice place. And there's a park on the other side where people are resting. And my mom and daughter are sitting on the other side and taking some rest.
My friends.
Thank you so much for watching the whole vlog. Hope you have enjoyed it. I will be back soon with some more exciting experience. Please keep watching this space. You can click on the thumbnails visible on the screen to watch my previous experiences. Please don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Till then, please stay fit and healthy. We'll meet soon again. Bye.